morning everyone! I'm on the boat to Ko Mook Island. This is my first time visiting this island and I'm really excited to see its beauty. It's pretty noisy here, music from a boat and boats around. But weather is perfect for sunbathing and beach exploring. This is the area where I'm staying. It's my tent. Quite big here for one person. And it's called Cashew Bungalows. There are a lot of birds here. Natural sounds. So I love this place so much. And my tent looks comfortable. It's not that cool there as I expected, but you can see a fan and like 2 beds. Actually these trees are cashew nut trees. And you can see the fruit with cashew inside. Do you know what this is? It's not just table and 2 chairs. This is check-in desk. This is exactly a spot where the host of this place, very friendly guy actually, took my passport and I paid here. Well, what do I know about Ko Mook? Not much. This is really small island. There are not many things to do, but the first thing that you can do here, the most important one maybe, it's snorkeling. There are a lot of beautiful fish here and even sea cows. So today when I just arrived I saw a sea cow from far, yes, but I saw it, and a big turtle. It's like maybe 1 meter size or more than 1 meter size. The water is crystal clear and it's scorching hot here because officially from 21st of February it started hot season in Thailand. So I'm even crying because of this hot weather. Now I'm heading to that part of beach. It's about 8 minutes from my bungalows. It looks empty because it's very hot. I'm going to find some shade and lie down there. Found some beautiful shell. The area where I'm staying right now is a beach. This is actually the north of this island, the most north. You cannot go further because this is like a point that you can stay and see surroundings. I'm showing you the best spot for meeting sunset. This is Trang beach, and sunset is right now, just maybe 20 minutes left and sun is going down. And today also we are expecting a very beautiful moonrise. that will be next. I hope I can make some shot of moon. What is about Charlie Beach? It's not that big, and I read a lot of reviews about this beach, like there are many people, but today not many, and it's sandy and very comfortable to swim, I guess. Maybe I'm going to swim to check out the sea now. Good morning. As you see, looking at my eyes, circles. I nearly slept at night and it was quite crazy. I don't know, I had a night intense before, but not like this. According to the fact that it's like living area, it's not super wild, but at night something was going on here. So actually at night I woke up because I've heard this horrible scream. Of course there wasn't any person, I thought it was animal. Okay, firstly I want to show the original video of the sound. Maybe you can guess what, who was it, what happened. And it was just above my tent, just maybe some 5, 4, 3 meters above my tent. I thought that is snake hunting and eating someone, maybe, I don't know, some mouse or something. But our host told me already that it was bats and they are coming to eat cashew nuts, fruits every night. So actually yesterday I was in my tent, and when I was walking here around I was surrounded by bats who, oh my god, but actually bats are better than snake. So I'd rather sleep with bats around uh, than with snake. Yeah, that was my night. See you later. I'm going on snorkeling tour today. Try to show you something. Bye. this is a video already from different island. It's very close to Ko Mook, and you can easily get here by a long-tail boat. This is Ko Kradan island. It's even smaller than Ko Mook, and it's also beautiful with emerald water around and sandy beach and many people. Yeah. We are going off from Ko Kradan island. It's very beautiful. The water is so beautiful. I don't know what is behind the beach. Probably is the other beautiful side of Ko Kradan, but with no so many people. And people are actually very nice. Not like noisy, not messy. Yeah, so I'm really enjoying Ko Kradan. Next place on our way is Emerald Cave, probably the most famous landmark close to Ko Mook. To get there, you have to swim in full darkness about 100 meters. It would be very exciting if it's not a crowd. Yeah, I learned my lesson. I am not fanatic of people. Maybe you're not as well. Here's my advice. Go to Emerald Cave by kayak at 6-7 o'clock. You can run it out on Charlie Beach. Imagine all this beauty will be yours.
I dreamt of you last night. You were by my side. I woke up alone. I should have known, because I'm always on my own. I just want you here every minute, dear. When I'm without you, don't know what to do. Every time you say goodbye, oh, please don't say goodbye. I will wait for you.
Hello! This is our last day on the island Ko Mook. Today it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful place. What I want to say to you as in conclusion about this island. I think it's good to visit if you don't like touristic place. This is the first reason. There are people here more than in Koh Mook, but less than in Koh Kradan. So water is very, very beautiful, and prices are not that high that you could expect in some touristy place. So yes, I would spend here 3 maybe days. That would be enough, because you can take a tour, go on snorkeling maybe, or just lie on the beach, enjoy this emerald water. And of course, this is a great place to see such beautiful water animals like sea cow and jellyfish and a lot of sea creatures. So I totally recommend to go to Ko Mook. Not hard to go, easy to stay, a lot of accommodation, not high prices. So please go to Ko Mook and enjoy Thai culture and Thai life here. See you again. Bye.